today we are making peri peri wraps with...
Hello everyone and welcome back to Kimby Australia. We just reached 1,000 subscribers on the platform. Thank you so much for your support again. Make sure to look at the video which we say a formal thank you for this event. Today we're going to be making something special. We're going to be making a peri peri wrap. It's not Indian, it's actually a Mexican dish, and we're going to see how it tastes at the end of the video. So please subscribe so we can make new goals every year. The wrap is so easy to make, it's absolutely insane. You have to try it at home and anywhere you like, so please try it. It's a great snack. It just needs some chicken and some more. Here's with today's ingredients. We have our favorite guest chef series been down to the channel, and welcome back. Before that, let's look at the ingredients step by step.
Hello everyone. So the ingredients for today are chicken, capsicum, garlic cloves, salt, black pepper, oil, peri peri sauce, peri peri mix, mayonnaise. You can also add tomatoes, bit of lettuce. Finally, the main thing, the wraps. What are we waiting for? Let's get started.
Alright, start by washing your hands thoroughly. Grab your garlic, a bowl, and wash it. Then you're gonna peel it and put all of them. You're gonna grab next a tomato, your lettuce, and then you're gonna cut your garlic and get your capsicum, wash it, cut out the seeds and the top, cut it into 4/4 or however style you like. Cut it up in smaller pieces, put that all into a bowl, and go, and put your tomatoes in smaller pieces. Add that too into the bowl. Next you're going to grab your chicken and you're going to wash it thoroughly. Then you're going to cut it up into smaller pieces and make sure you're careful when using the knife. Now grab your bowl, pan, and you're going to put some oil all around. And you're going to put your garlic to sizzle there for about 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. Make it sizzle there. Then you're going to put your capsicum inside. Make sure to stir thoroughly. Soon you're going to be adding your chicken, but not just yet. And now you will. And capsicum is good. Stir it around. Okay. So it should be 5 to 10 minutes and cover it. Open it up a minute later. Stir it all around. Now you're going to grab your salt. You're going to put 1 to 2 tablespoons salt per taste. Salt, pepper you're going to put. Spread it all around. Salt, pepper per taste. Then you're going to grab peri peri mix. Put it all around. 3 to 4 tablespoons, up to you. Put in a little bit less spice. Some sugar. 1 teaspoon, stir all around. Gives you that nice color up to this stage. Grab some mayonnaise on a separate bowl, 4 spoons. Then you're going to grab peri peri sauce, spread it. You're going to mix with some sugar. Grab your tortillas, chicken, hot stick of chicken, put that on the side. And then put some tomatoes or lettuce, up to whatever toppings you like. Then you're going to put your peri peri sauce all around. Now wrap it up, very simple, and you're done.
Thank you everyone for joining us today. So please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.